how to locate your Steam games that you have installed and you have already backed up. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can locate your Steam games that you have already backed up. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your file explorer. There you will see this PC. Head over there and open up your local disk. After you open up your local disk, you'll need to head over to Program Files 86. So open this up, and after you're here, simply search for Steam. There you'll find Steam. Open that folder up, and after you open this folder up, you will see another folder called Steam Apps. So head over to Steam Apps, and there you'll find another folder called Common. Open up your Common. Now right there you'll find all the folders for each of your games. Now what you need to do is you can just copy this, select this and do Control C and also Control V. That will copy and paste this folder. After you just copy it, you can delete the original folder and rename the another folder. Now remove the copy and dash from this folder and you're good to go. To come over to this folder, you can also use this file path and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.